Day 3 of my recovery week. Unfortunately, I'm out on the bike, but it's okay. It's only a short ride on the way to a meeting. Heading to Giro now to discuss some ideas of what we can do now there's a lot more new cyclists out on the road. We need to encourage them.
Yeah, that's so Euro. Unbelievably Euro.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
It's the way of the future.
Orange.
Mine's better.
I need an orange bike.
See, our top secret meeting, which was supposed to be about getting new cyclists into the sport, has turned into mountain bike shopping.
Operation Get Francis a mountain bike.
Yeah, I really want one. I really want one. Wilier.
Future, bro.
Can I borrow one? You look like a bandit.
I am a bandit.
What kind of bandit?
What's a bandit?
Like a bandit. Like they rob people and stuff.
Oh.
A highwayman. Very productive meeting this morning. Really cool video idea that we've come up with. I'm now just on the way to meet Justin. The saga continues, it's deja vu. His handbike's still broken and we're gonna try and fix it. Just goes on forever, this. So before Justin turns up, I wanted to talk about the relevance of this t-shirt. Bike is best. It's a new campaign, over 80 brands and cycling bodies are involved with, so you're probably going to see it all over social media. Essentially, it's an initiative to get people on bikes and keep them on them since there's been a recent boom in cycling. I'm going to link a video down below which is an introduction and explains a little bit more. If you want to be involved and share any content, you can use this hashtag. Whether it's taking a new friend for a ride or making a small video explaining why you like cycling or how to do certain things with your bike. It's pretty relevant after my meeting this morning that I'm going to keep a secret for now, but a super cool initiative and really exciting as well. I really hope cycling infrastructure improves and we see loads and loads of new people doing it. One other video I'm going to link below is a short video by Phil Guyman. I was actually thinking about doing one myself along similar lines, but he says everything that I want to say perfectly. So go and check out his video and get some ideas about how you can help the situation, get new people interested and not put any new riders off. No rules, just ride. Velominati rules. Where's Justin? I hate his handbike. Again, mate. Nice shirt.
Thank you very much. I thought I'd represent one of our very good friends who is also selling brand new t-shirts with a new design at the moment.
Is he?
Am I allowed to do this? Good. Go buy Rob Quirk's new t-shirts. Yeah, I mean, nothing's going to happen to you. You're just full. So...
You get that? He said don't lean back. Whatever you do, don't lean back, otherwise I'm going to crash.
Oh wait, do you want your present here?
Yeah.
Oh, you do want your present?
Yeah, I want it now.
So, you've helped me. Well, because I hid it behind me.
Oh.
So, you've helped me a lot for the last few days. When I
How long has it been behind you on your back?
Not long enough to melt, I hope.
It melts.
Like, because when I got the bike stuff, I had a little packet of Haribo and you were quite upset because there's gelatin. So, gelatin free sweets.
Yeah, man.
Fix my bike.
Gelatin free.
Right.
Oh, how do you literally can't do it. How do you do it? That's too hard, mate. Give up. Pat, please take this back.
Thank you.
You can present like a TV show now. Oh, I'm in it.
How does he do that? Regular viewers of the channel will know we've been trying to fix Justin's bike for the last 2 weeks every day. I think today we're finally going to do it.
I've realised an issue.
What's the issue?
Well, I've never read this user's manual before. Is the chain stretched? My chain was pretty stretched. It was making abnormal noises. Did the links have a large amount of play in them?
Yeah.
I still think it was too many watts.
Kind of getting there. Halfway. This bike is cursed. When was the last time you charged this, Justin?
It actually wasn't that long ago.
Your nose is growing.
You son of a bitch.
What?
What are those?
The things that are not supposed to be on your bike.
Stop touching my nipples. There's no consent
They're
to
not
this.
called nipples. They're still open. So I'm not doing very well at this no riding thing. I'm now out for a quick spin with Daisy, a couple of others, and yeah, park's open.
Just you know, enjoying the sunshine. It's been raining for the last few days, hasn't it? Someone had our bench, so I just, you know, this is the next best thing, isn't it?
You haven't got any shoes on.
Just letting them breathe, Francis.
stung by a massive... do bumblebees bite?
It's not a bite, it's a sting.
How do you know they don't bite as well though?
I don't think they've got teeth, have they?
You don't need teeth to bite.
Okay. Or claws.
Like a lizard.
My last ever vlog.
Oh, what's the worst that can happen?
I could be
die.
allergic to a bumblebee sting.
Is this like the new fashion?
Yeah. What?
Bar bag, flat bar fixed gear. So Richmond Park, place to be. Bumping into loads of people, which is cool. No cars, which is really nice. It might rain on us though, probably. I mean, look. Yeah.
Yes.
It's grim. Quick ride back. Stonking tailwind. Good day. Except for the bumblebee sting. That was bad. So what is going on with Justin's bike now? We still haven't fixed it. We've now replaced his chain, it's the right length. One of the Di2 cables for some reason isn't working. So we've done the diagnostics, plugged it into E-Tube. We had to come back to my house to do that. Shimano E-Tube recognised all the parts, but then when I tried to do a firmware update, it was saying one of the parts was wrong. I think his battery ran out, so I've sent him home to charge his battery, and he's gonna come back another day, and then we're gonna try it again. The issue we're having is being caused because the new mech that we bought is a newer type of Di2, so it's like the latest version, which should work. On the compatibility chart on the Shimano website, it says that it will, but it might just need an update. So fingers crossed, we're gonna get this solved, and Justin will be rolling again, and then we can finally go and do our ride. And I won't have to push him up a hill, which will be nice. As always, I wanna say a big thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.